Welcome to 6832 Wide Valley Drive, located less than a 10-minute ride from downtown Brighton and only 25 minutes northwest of Ann Arbor. Sitting on a lovely rolling lot, this 4-bed, 2.5-bath, 2-story home offers plenty of space both indoors and out. A large deck sits on the east side of the home and looks out over the rear yard, which is hemmed in nicely by mature trees. A second-story balcony offers nice eastern views and is accessible directly from the master bedroom. Join us while we tour this beautiful home. Thanks for visiting 6832 Wide Valley Drive.